At AAMCO, we've been fixing cars for almost 60 years. And over that time, a lot sure has changed. Cars have gotten more complicated than ever. That's why the technicians at AAMCO complete rigorous training and certifications. So they have the expertise to fix anything, including the most complex repairs that come with some of the latest advancements in car technology.
The problem's with your transmission valve body and torque converter.
Is that complicated?
Don't worry, we do this all the time.
And we don't just tell you what's wrong. We walk you through why the repair is necessary, what's behind it, and how we're going to fix it. After 60 years, there's nothing the techs at AAMCO haven't seen or fixed. You could say we know cars, inside and out. AAMCO.